Put one foot here, and the other foot right here. Don't let it move. Oh! Don't move, don't move. Sweet baby Jesus. I know. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, the artist Oliver James. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great this week. I'm back with another video, but as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm doing something a little bit different today, a DIY on how to build an easel. I'm here at my home, so I'm just going to use the things that I have in the garage. I'm going to go ahead and create an easel so that way I can be upright in painting and I can create more paintings and, you know, produce more work. Late in the afternoon, I'm going to try and knock this out before the sun goes down. But before we get started and jump into this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and then turn on the post notification bell so that you know when I'm posting more content. If you're not already, head on over to my Instagram page and follow me there as well. A lot of content that I post on there. Let's jump into the video. The first thing we're going to do is go over the supplies, and you can find these at any local home improvement store. So I got 4 pieces of common wood measuring about 1 inch thick, 4 inches wide, and 6 feet long. 2 sets of screws, one that's 1 1/4 of an inch, and the second set of nails are 3/8 of an inch. I also used a T-hinge, rope, tape measure, power drill, a drill bit at 1/16 of an inch, a spade bit at 1/2 inch, a saw, you can use any kind of saw that you want, a pencil, and some dowel. So the first thing that you're going to do is take 2 1x4s and lay them out like an A for the 2 front legs. Then you're going to take another 1x4 and lay it across the top so that you can make the brace piece. And I measured this out at about 13 inches. Then I did the same thing with the lower front horizontal member, measured that out at about 25.5 inches, and I just measured it to make sure that it was level. And I'm going to go ahead and also mark off where I want to cut it, not just where I want to place it. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it at an angle to make it look more elegant. Then I'm going to put the brace piece back at the top so that I can use it as a reference to measure the back leg. Make sure that the front legs and the back legs are level, so I use the 4th piece of wood to measure that off, make sure everything is level and even. And as you can see, you're cutting the bottom front legs at an angle. Then I use the electric saw to cut everything that I had just measured out. So you're going to cut out the lower front horizontal member, the brace piece, and then the rear leg. And then you're going to have 2 pieces of wood left over, and you should use the bigger piece as the cross member to lay on the dowels once we're finished. After I was done cutting everything, I laid both the brace piece and the horizontal member back on the front legs just to make sure that I measured everything correctly before I screwed anything in. I took the power drill and made some pre-drilled holes with the drill bit, and then I used the 1 1/4 or 1 1/4 inch screws to screw the brace piece into the top of the front legs. Then what I did was I flipped it over and I screwed the lower front horizontal member onto the other side. And again, just measuring to make sure that you place it correctly. And for this one, you want to use the 1 1/4 inch screws as well. And as you can see, my niece and nephew were starting to get a little antsy and wanted some of my attention, so I tricked them into helping me so that they would quickly grow bored and let me finish this. So in the midst of dealing with that, what I did was I took the T-hinge and a pencil, and I just measured where the holes would go to attach the T-hinge to the back leg and the brace piece, and then put the hinge on the board. And then I made some pre-drilled holes for that and put the T-hinge back down and screwed them in. And on this one, what you want to do is use the shorter screws, the 3/8 of an inch screw, because you're only going to screw the T-hinge down. You're not screwing these to another board. Then what I did was I took a larger drill bit to drill a hole through the back leg in the lower front horizon member so I can make a hole large enough to thread the rope through. And then once you thread the rope through, what you want to do is tie knots on both ends. And I just cut the rope at about 2 feet and stand it up, and there you have it. And then what you want to do is go ahead and mark off holes for the dowels to go in so that you can put the rest of the cross member on it. And so what I did was I started an inch off of where that bottom piece is, and then I started going every 6 inches. And what you want to do is use the spade bit, which is at a 1/2 inch because the dowel that I'm using is a 1/2 inch in diameter. Forgive me because I didn't get the clip of using the spade bit and drilling in the holes because I got so excited. After that, I cut the dowel about every 5 inches, and this is what the dowel looks like after I cut them. And you also want to sand these off and make sure that the wood isn't splintered. But here you go, and here it looks like when it's assembled with the dowel in there and the cross member. With all the supplies, this cost me around 35 bucks to make. There you have it. Alright, you guys. My hair looks crazy. I don't even know if you can see me, to be honest. Can you see me? Can you see me? My hair is crazy. That's it. The easel's built. Just like I said, I'm gonna go sand it down, make sure that there's no wood sticking out. I think I've already gotten punctured once here, twice. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, I mean, clearly you're still watching, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and hit the post notification bell as well. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram at the artist Oliver James. That's gonna be it for me, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm out. I'm gonna go. Bye.